For our next trip, I've decided to put a wood crate on the back of the van. I've got a nice open area here, limited by my chainsaw box and also the number plate, but there's a fair bit of area here that's just not being used. So down here, I've got my clamp, and this is the clamp that I use to put my outboard motor T-piece in. So I won't be taking the motor, so I'm thinking how else can I actually utilise this clamp here. So I reckon what I'm planning on doing is putting a tube down there, and then on the tube I'll have my box up here that comes along, and then there'll be another leg that comes down. So you've got 2 points, one that's definitely secure, and this one will be actually load bearing too. So we'll see how it goes. So I started off with a basic plan, then I went down to Cerdex and saw Mike, and from there we actually worked out exactly what I needed and how we could actually get it from the sheets that were available for standard size. And all up, probably about 96 bucks so far. And so this is the steel here, and it's 90-degree steel, so that's it there. And this is the mesh. Might have to reinforce the bottom, but we'll see how we go. That's the top and bottom cut out, and that's the verticals that have to go in. Don't tell Joe, but had a bit of a fire happening here, but oh well. Now that I've cut all the pieces, I'm just welding them together and making sure everything's nice and square, and yeah, and then I'll make sure it fits on the van. Hope so. It's taken a while, I'm slowly getting there. This is the finished product. As you can see, we've got the strengthened steel down the bottom here to hold the wood. You've got your mesh, and that's all welded on. You've got your leg that comes down here, that's steel, 50mm. Then you've got your shackle underneath here, which is actually holding that on. And what I've also done is put 2 straps straight onto here to make sure they're nice and strong and tensioned. And yeah, I reckon it's actually come up pretty well. You can use it to store wood, so it keeps it out of your car, easy to get into and put in. So basically we've got our chainsaw and our wood all in one location. I use my Rust-Oleum paint, which is for wood, metal and everything else. Yeah, I gave that probably about 2 coats, in places 3. Yeah, it came out pretty well. And that's the flat black. As a utility, it's good to have your levelers, hose, electric cable, and they all fit in there quite well. So as well as having wood, you can use it for other things. Now, it's a pretty basic video that I've done. I'm not trying to teach how to weld or anything like that. I'm still learning that myself, but I just thought it might give you an idea of some of the things you can do. Everyone's setup's different, all the measurements are different for everybody, but this is what I've done, and yeah, I think it's going to work. I'll let you know how it goes.